This meeting is being recorded.
Hello everyone, this is Coach Carole. I'm going to give a small video tutorial today on how to find your evaluation forms. This is a question often asked. I've logged in and as you'll see, I'm on my landing page ready to enter Basecamp as a member. Clicking on to the login as a member brings me to this page where I can find my transcript. This is where I normally hang out as I'm working through my online lessons. But today I'm going to go over to the speech evaluations, this final blue tab. Clicking on here brings us to a page that explains the evaluation process in Pathways. There's a number of tutorials that you can view, including these where you can find out how you access your evaluation resource, give your evaluator access to the evaluation resource, save the evaluation resource, etc. So there's a number of things that you can do here. Scrolling down, you'll find all of the evaluation resources listed alphabetically. When you're working on a particular project and you're ready to deliver your speech, you'll need to gather your evaluation resource from here or through your project and print it ready to bring to the meeting. For me, I'm going to select one that is coming up for me. And I'm just looking through the list now to find that one. It's alphabetical, but it's in columns alphabetically, as you can see. So I'm having to run my eyes over each of the columns to find out. So the Prepare to Speak Professionally is the one that I want today. And if I click on that, it will enable me to launch this evaluation resource, which means it will then sit in my transcript. I'll click on the Launch button, and this will bring up a new tab in which we will see the evaluation form. This has come to me as a PDF document, and in order for me to print it, I would do that by taking my cursor to the top right-hand corner of the PDF document and print it, or, as I'm going to do today, download it into my file system and then save it. Once that document is saved, you can then open it as a PDF document and print it again if you need it. It will then enable the person doing the evaluation for you to write in directly to this document. Each of these forms will give the speech purpose, notes for the evaluator, the speech length, and a space to write comments for the speaker's excellent presentation, things they may want to work on, and how to challenge yourself. The second page gives an overview of the way in which the evaluator can give a numerical vote for how well they have done each of these pieces, such as clarity, vocal variety, and eye contact. For more explanation about each of these, go to the third page. So this document is now stored in my folders, and I can print it, ready to take to my meeting. So coming back to my transcript now. Here I'm now seeing that resource that I've downloaded sitting within my transcript. And when I've finished with that, to tidy things up here in my transcript, I can mark it complete. That's it for where to find the evaluations quickly from Basecamp for your Pathways journey. I'll be back again soon with more.